Hi everyone, my name is Radhe and welcome to SRTech. In this video, I'm going to show how to set up Python in VSCode. So now I'm going to download and install the VSCode. First of all, go to web browser and then type the VSCode in Google and then press enter. And now click on this above link as you can see. You can see here the VSCode is available for all operating systems like MacBook, Windows and Linux. Whatever operating system you are using, just download the VSCode for the same operating system. As I'm using MacBook, so I'm downloading for MacBook. If you are using Windows, then you can download for Windows. After the download is completed, just double click on downloaded file and follow on the screen instruction to install VS Code on your computer. You can see here the VS Code is already installed on my computer. After the installation is completed, just open the VS Code and search for Python extension because we need to install some extension for Python program environment. And now open the search bar and just type Python, and you can see here Python extension is searched. So now we have to install Python extension. You can see here the Python extension is already installed on my computer. Now you can go to the web browser and then type Python in Google and then press enter. You can see here Python official website is searched. And now click on the official website of Python link as you can see. Now go to download and check for latest version. You can see here the Python latest version is available for all operating systems like MacBook, Windows and Linux. Whatever operating system you are using, just download the Python for the same operating system. As I'm using MacBook, so I'm downloading for MacBook. If you are using Windows, then you can download for Windows. After the download is completed, just double click on this downloaded file and follow on the screen instruction to install Python on your computer. You can see here Python is installed successfully. Now let's check Python is working or not. So now open the terminal and just type python 3 -- version and then press enter. And you can see here Python 3.11.8 is installed successfully in my computer. Now let's create a new folder on a desktop for the Python program and again open VS Code. Now just go to Explorer and open the folder which we have just created. And you can see here folder is added in VS Code. Now let's create a simple program in Python as demo.py. Demo is the name of program file which you can put whatever you want, and .py is the extension of Python program. Now you can write any program in Python like I'm printing welcome to the Python world. And now press on a run button and you can see here Python program is running successfully. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. If you have any suggestion, then please comment to me. Thank you for watching this video.